All right, we are going to talk about the campaign section of the CRM. This is where we're going to create all of our drip campaigns to go out to buyer leads, seller leads, previous contacts, current clients, whatever we need to make a campaign for, and we want a drip campaign, we can use this section to do. So, what I'm going to go through first is there is a way that if you go into your settings, under your AI settings, you can draft your own writing tones. So if you have a specific way that you email and you like the way you sound on your emails, you can paste in 3 to 15 of your emails that are in your words. And it will teach AI how you write, the style that you write, so that when it makes and creates emails for you, it's speaking in your words. It's not speaking in Gemini's words, right? So it really makes it feel a lot more like you. Or you can put in a saved style profile. So you can summarize how you want your emails to actually sound. So you can save this in the AI section, and then every single email, not just with your campaigns, but individual emails you send to clients too, whenever you have AI generate them, it will be in your voice and your tone. Now, if you are like me and you don't really have a style or tone because you're bad at writing emails, well, this is where Build with AI comes in handy very nicely. So on my campaign, if you just saw that, on campaign, I'm going to click Build with AI. And now it's going to help me to build a campaign. So let's say that I've went in the lead pages here and I've created a home valuation lead page that I'm hoping to capture seller leads from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new seller lead campaign. Tone, I can make it any of these tones that I want, or if I've updated my AI settings, it'll use my own tones. Let's just say I like to be casual and local is going to be my tone. Lead magnet. So this is going to be what type of lead magnet are we using? So in this case, it's going to be the home valuation seller lead page. So that's going to be what my lead magnet is. Campaign vision. This is going to be what am I trying to portray in this campaign? What do I want the emails to sound like? What do I want them to be? What information should be in them? So I'm going to kind of feed it my thoughts on this. So let's say, because it's seller one, I want to tell the sellers about us as a team, our success, how many past sales we've had, and how we have a specific 7-step process that we take sellers through to maximize what we can sell their house for. Then I want you to start talking about what updates they can do that typically offer the best reward for the cost. And then finally, we want to talk about scheduling a home consult with us where we come to the house and basically do a walkthrough of the house and tell them what updates to make and what type of things need to be done before they list their house. Okay, so that's what I want to tell AI, and that's what I want AI to basically create the campaign off of. So it's going to do all of this stuff that I just said. Now, number of emails. Let's say I want to do an 8 drip campaign, and I want these emails every 14 days to be sent out. And then the primary call to action is going to be a home consult. Okay, so that's it. Now I don't have to write anything. I'm going to have an automatic 8-series email campaign to new seller leads. As soon as I hit this draft campaign button right here, AI is going to get to work. It typically takes anywhere from 5 to 60 seconds, depending on the complexity of what I wanted to do and how many emails it's sending. And you can see it took maybe less than 10 seconds to build this Harbor and Pine Seller Lead Nurture 8 email campaign series. First one goes out immediately when they fill out my landing page, and then 14 days after, every other email is going to be going out. Now I can click on this and I can see it starts out, hi, first name, right? So whatever lead's name is going to be. Thanks for stopping by our site to check out your home's valuation. I'm Avery Brooks. That's not really me. This is just a demo account. I know that the number on the screen are just a starting point. I want to reach out personally and let you know I'm here if you have any questions on the local market. Our team's ready. Okay. So it puts out the first email for me. Next email, you aren't just getting an agent, you're getting a team dedicated to your results. Over the years, we've had a track record of sales. We have a 7-step process. So maybe I want to add a little bit more to this email. It didn't quite hit everything I want. So I can come in and edit this email. And again, I don't want to write because I'm not very good at writing. So I'm going to have AI do it for me. So what should it do? So I'm going to say, basically, hey, let's keep working with the 7-step process that we have for sellers and how that maximizes price, but add in specific stats stating that our 7-step process has helped sellers net 5% more on their home sales and sell in 14 days faster than the average market time. Okay, so I'm going to add these notes in here, and I want the email to be created with this. So all I'm going to do is, again, I like to be a little bit more casual in my email. So I'm going to go casual, draft update, and now it's going to update this email. We've developed a 7-step process designed to take the stress out of selling while maximizing. On average, our clients who utilize this process net 5% more in their home sales close 14 days faster, right? So it's going to let me put in all of this stuff. And I can keep going over and over with this. If I don't like this, I can tell AI to do something else. I can tell it to change a little bit more. So you have the ability to kind of custom every step of the way. Now, say we also have, immediately, we have a home seller video email we like to send out. Well, we can do that. Maybe we've created this template where we have a seller home valuation follow-up. So not only is the seller going to get our home valuation from our lead page, but they're going to get this email from us with this specific video email with us talking to them like I'm talking to you now with a video follow-up. So I can send video emails in these campaigns as well. So that's kind of the cool thing that we can do. And you can see it's a video email that we're now sending. So we can have these campaigns and we can track them. So that's the easiest way I like to do it. You can create this campaign on your own. You can build out a step, like, right, I could add step. I could do a step 9 now in here. I could put the email subject line. I could have AI help generate it. But I just like to let AI do it for me because it's so much quicker. You can see it took 10 seconds to build out this whole 8-step email process. And then I've got to go back and just kind of fine tune and make sure I'm good with the wording. Now, the other option we have is to create a campaign, and we can do a birthday or house anniversary. So say we want to send out happy birthday emails to all of our past clients. Well, we can name this happy birthday. We can do it for birthdays and click create campaign. Now, all we have to do is add one step. And we're going to do happy birthday. And again, I'm going to use AI and just say this email should tell the person, hey, happy birthday from our team here. We're all thinking of you today, hoping you have a great day and best wishes on your birthday. And that's the kind of the message that I want sent in the email. I'm going to draft the update and boom, it's going to pop it right in there for me. I can go ahead and just add that step. And now every time somebody has a birthday, this email will automatically get sent out on their birthday. So that's kind of one of the cool ways that we can set up campaigns as well. The happy birthday one here, we can have it paused or we can go ahead and activate it. If I activate it, now it's active and it will actually start sending these birthday messages out. If I want to pause it, I can just come over here, click again, and we can pause this birthday campaign. And now if we go back in, we'll see, oops, did I do it twice? I think I did. Oh, get out of here. All right, go back in here, happy birthday emails. No, it is paused. It says inactive. Okay, so it is inactive. So that is it for the campaigns. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, that is how easy it is to set up email campaigns.